I'm listening to Taylor Swift. I knew you were trouble. I don't know. I just felt like saying that for the beginning of this because I have no life at all. I live my life on Pandora. But, I see, this is my guitar right here. I need help with it because I have had it for 2.5 years, 2 years, I don't know, something like that. Excuse my face, by the way, really bad acne, not gonna lie. But, my tuner is being a butt wipe and not loving me. So if you love me, you would help me out and tune my guitar for me, because people are like, oh, well, you should know how to do it because you have a tuner and you've been having it for a long time, so you should know it by ear. I'm like, ain't nobody got time for that. I'd rather have somebody else do it for me than me take like 2 hours out of my day and do it. So yeah, daily vlog number 8, because sorry it's getting posted today because I didn't mean to. I forgot to make one yesterday. I was too busy doing exam stuff and studying for geometry. So this one's going under daily vlog number 8, aka guitar help. Help me out, kids. Love ya.